Right, this is voice. Welcome to Civil in the Chat. Today we're going to see my room. I mean, you pretty much know this room already, but as you can see, I've changed my setup and stuff. So pretty much everything completely changed. So as you can see, my setup was here on my left, like here onto the wall. So now I've changed the rotation to 90 degrees and I'm on the door. So the door is literally here. I literally am nearer to the door. And if people come inside and stuff, I can literally warn them so they can't, you know, interrupt and stuff. The live streaming types of thing, like frontal camera for live streaming, this looks bang on really good. And yeah, let's just see how this is going to work with live streaming. Hopefully I get more views. Hopefully more people are going to join and stuff. I've did my thing on the other setup on this stuff. I'm going to change in a while type of thing in a couple of months and stuff again. So I hit the setup on my left side when I started streaming, so 1.5 years I have it there. So now I changed it again. Now I'm in front of my lamp, so I can turn on my lamp, my door, I open, everything goes quicker, bam bam bam. And of course my bed is like now behind me, so this is the most that I can go away from my setup. I can still drive though, so I made it perfectly. And of course a bit of change and stuff. It's actually really good. And I had fun and stuff. So pretty much this is literally the stream's layout. So I put everything on so it looks like I'm streaming, but I'm actually not right now streaming and stuff. And yeah, also my window is at the back. People didn't know, didn't see my window and stuff. And also, as you can see at the back, my Nanoleaf is gone. I know my Nanoleaf was behind my setup, so in front of my setup, behind this camera was my Nanoleaf, and I've turned it away. I know. And I'm trying to hook it up again, but that's the thing. I got no Twitch money. Twitch not paying good. So yeah, I'm gonna put it up there as a sleeve, going downwards like a snake. So it's going to be hopefully soon really good. So I need to buy a couple of stuff so my cable gets longer towards the wall. But yeah, boys, let me know if you like the setup down in the comments. Like the video if you like the setup. Dislike if you don't like it. If I should go back on the other one, but I'm not going to back to the other one because I think personally this one is better. And my cam for recording, I'm gonna change it left to right. So this is streaming, doing main videos and gaming. I think frontal camera is always better. And yeah, for streaming type of stuff, I'm probably going to for streaming type of stuff, I'm gonna let it like this. But for recording on my second channel, I'm gonna do it on my other monitor and react towards there. And I think it looks way better, camera and stuff. So if I stand up now from my thing, the camera is going to go black. Never mind, I guess not. But yeah, there you go. So you can see my window now. Pretty much, you can see my window, and I think it looks way better. If I turn it a bit down, one sec. Turn it a little bit down. Think I'm going to be, it's going to be normal again. All right, a bit darker, but it makes a lot of thing of, and that window at the back makes more like satisfaction on the stream and stuff. Yesterday when I was streaming, bro, I had like mental breakdown after the stream because I literally had 0 views and it pissed me off the whole entire 2-hour stream. So yeah, boys, let me know if I should go on to the other thing. Like the video if you wanna see me in this setup. Of course, I'm gonna let a bit light more and stuff. So let's just do it again one sec to just have a bit of light into the thing. This that should be good. So I think this should be good. Look how light it is now. So at the back you can't really see my window. And it makes a lot of more light and stuff. So yeah, boys, let me know if I should let this like this. I know this has been a 5-minute video, let's just say. And yeah, let me know if I should let it like this, if I should change something, or what should I do and stuff. And yeah, please donate so I can buy something to hang up on the wall around there and just to make the stream more better, I guess. And yeah, let me know, boys. Donate, please. I need money. I'm fucking poor. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Highly appreciate one of you. And yeah, let me know if I should like this or go back to the other setup. And yeah, boys, thank you guys so much. Highly appreciate one of you. We see us hopefully tomorrow. Sorry. We see us in 2 days. Till then, bye bye.